Hello everyone! In order to clean this drain, start off by adding a hole into a bottle and then put a pipe through it and let the water in. This way it won't flood. Next, take a bottle, make an oval shaped hole into it and then drill a hole into all of the bases as well. Put the toilet brush so that it can drain from here. Cut the top of a bottle and then make an oval shaped hole into it once you are done. Add a thread to two of the corners of it and then put your hand through it. Use it for cutting so that you don't cut yourself on accident. Next, in order to make this contraption, take a bottle and then make two windows into it. Cut out the slits and then you should have a few holes in it. Now, roll the slits up. Add a rubber band to the top and then put each of the slits into the rubber band. You should be left with two rather narrow slits. Add water to the bottom portion of it and then add your plant into it. Next, take a bottle, add a cup to the top and then cut off the top portion of it as such. Then make multiple slits on one of the ends, cut off the base almost entirely and then burn the edges. Once you are done with this, take multiple cups and then insert it to the bottom. Now you can dispense it. In order to make this cute little basket, start off by cutting a bottle, the bottom portion of it. Make multiple slits on it and then alternatively cut each of these slits. Add some threads into it as such. Make a handle out of it and add a flower as well. For this, start off by taking a bottle and then cut it up. Take the top and the bottom portion of it and then add the bottle cap to the bottom. Now line it with some jute thread all around. Once you have done this till the top, after attaching the two parts together, add some thread balls to the top, add a little face, add some water and then insert your plant from the top. Take a tissue roll and then take a bottle and then make a cut in your bottle in a T shape. Use a lighter in order to burn the edges and fasten it in its place. Then take out a part of the tissue roll so it's easy to dispense. If your garlic always flies around when you are smashing it, cut up a bottle in half and then smash it through this. Next, take a bottle and then make a hole in it. Then add a little straw through it and then using a glue gun stick it into place. Add a cup to the bottom and then add the liquid through the bottle and then use a straw to transfer it as such. The pressure is what makes it act. If you are tired of wrapping your plastic into the dustbin, start off by taking a very big cylinder as such. Then cut off the top and then use it as the dustbin. You may also hang it using the cap portion of it. You may also use the handle of this bottle to hang things up as such. For our next contraption, as you can see, we are going to be making a sprinkler. Take a screwdriver, put it in the heat and drill holes into it, attach it to a pipe. Thank you for watching.